Here's what's in store on our 5-day wader ID and photoscoping workshop at Spurn. August marks the start of autumn wader migration, with plenty of birds still in their stunning summer plumage. Many of these waders are stopping off to refuel on their long migration from the far north. With great opportunities to view different species side by side, we'll work on the finer points of identification whilst enjoying the wildlife performance that unfolds before us. It's also an opportunity for an introduction to the photographic techniques of photoscoping. Enjoy the experience as an observer, or get hands-on and learn how to shoot wildlife films with your smartphone. Photoscoping can give us a deeper insight into the behaviour of the birds we're watching, and a slow-motion action replay can reveal what was easily missed in real time. And that's a big pellet for a small wader. Of course, there's always the chance of a little bit of Spurn magic and a rarity to discover. How about a smart North American wader like this pectoral sandpiper seen on our 2020 workshop? It's all at an easy pace because we've got everything we need on our doorstep to keep us busy for a week of glorious birding. And this is Spurn Point, where the unique landscapes as well as the flora and fauna will always inspire. Every year we make a donation to the Spurn Bird Observatory Land Purchase Fund to help nature conservation. YCN contributed £500 in 2020. So join Yorkshire Coast Nature for our wader ID and photoscoping workshop at Spurn.